Okay, Slimy, I'll read to you. Just don't say please, okay? All right, little guy. Here we go. Chapter 453 in The Adventures of Trash Gordon. The last time we saw our hero, Trash Gordon, he was on the planet Honk, where he was surrounded by a horde of honking honkers. They were horning in on our hero, but Trash knew exactly how to handle honking honkers. In the blink of an eye, he whipped out a dinger and his rubber ducky. And they all had a honker ducky dinger jamboree. Our hero was safe once again, as Trash slapped his thigh heroically to the beat and said,
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter T and the number 20.
Now, no more now, Slimy. That's all for now. It's time for you to get some shut-eye, little guy. We'll read some more trash tomorrow. Hey, are you still here? I told you. No more Trash Gordon until tomorrow.